Welcome back to FX Sword Art. Today I'll be showing you how to draw Boo from the Super Mario series. For this tutorial, you're going to need a permanent marker, a pencil, a paper, and something to color with. First thing we want to do is take our pencil and trace a big circle in the middle of the paper. For this, I'll be using my garbage can. Okay, now that we're done with that, we can move our pencils off to the side because we won't be needing them for a while. Next, we're going to take our permanent marker and draw an arm on the right side, coming out like this. And then we're going to bring it back in slowly like that. Next, we're going to do the tail slightly below it. I'm going to draw it out. And then slowly it merges back in with the body like that. Next, we're going to do the other arm over here, slightly smaller since it's like farther away. Now that we're done with all the arms and stuff, we can move on to the facial details. So we're going to do 2 bumps here for the eyes, like that. And then 2 more ovals here and here, like that. And then 2 smaller circles on the inside of them, like that. And then we can color this bigger part in. Next, we're going to start on the mouth by doing a big curve there. And we're going to bring it down with a curve, and down like that. And then we're going to start on the tongue by doing a bump here, going down like that. And then another one right beside it, there. And then we're going to bring it down, and then connect it all the way back up here. And then we can take this side and connect it. Next, we're going to do the teeth. He has 4 of them. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now that we're done with all the details in the face and arms, we're going to trace this pencil line all the way around like that, and make sure not to go in any of these lines. Except this one. Now that we're done with that, we can erase these intersecting lines here and everywhere there are intersecting lines. Also, if there's just any pencil lines poking out because you didn't trace exactly, then you can also erase those. Now that we're done with the coloring, that's pretty much it. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, please make sure to leave a like. We also have an upcoming video where I'll be making stuff out of clay. So if you want to be notified when that comes out, please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell. Also, you can comment down below what you want me to draw next, and I'll most likely get to it. Bye. And we done, boys.